That was pretty funny, wasn't it? Who's that? Who's that lady? Huh? Who's that lady? Is that the milk lady? Oh, yeah? Is that the milk lady? Yes. Yes. Super big stretch. Now, doesn't that feel better? Yeah. Told ya. Told ya.
He's gonna get used to the camera.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.